Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward yet incredibly useful. How to transfer money from one PayPal account to another in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or just managing your finances, PayPal makes it easier than ever with some cool updates this year. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest PayPal app or website open. In 2025, PayPal has rolled out enhanced security features, so you'll need to log in with your usual credentials, email, password, and possibly a quick two-factor authentication step for added protection. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request tab, which is front and center on the homepage. It's designed to be more intuitive now, with a fresh interface that guides you through the process. Next, you'll see a prompt to enter the recipient's details. Type in their email address or phone number linked to their PayPal account. Pro tip: double-check this to avoid any mix-ups. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal in 2025 lets you select from multiple currencies seamlessly, thanks to real-time exchange rate updates, so if you're sending internationally, it's a breeze. After that, you can add a personal note, like, for the concert tickets, to make things clear. Then, hit the Review button. Here, you'll get a summary of the transaction, including any fees that might apply. PayPal has made fees more transparent in 2025, so you'll know exactly what's being deducted up front. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the transfer with your authentication method, and voila! Your money is on its way. The recipient should get it almost instantly, depending on their account status. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, check your balance or contact PayPal support through their improved chat feature. And there you have it. Transferring money on PayPal in 2025 is quick, secure, and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.